Hey there marketing fans, hope you're well. Just wanted to show you in this video how to go about putting your blog on Amazon, and more importantly how to actually get it so that people can download it on their Amazon Kindle device. Now this is a fantastic way to increase the readership of your particular blog, whichever niche it might be in. It doesn't really matter what niche it's in. Obviously if you've found a niche that is relatively non-competitive, then this will give you even more of an edge, and if you're in a competitive niche, then all the more so it will give you an edge over many people who perhaps won't know how to, or perhaps even be aware that this is a possibility. So you can go ahead and go over here. This is a place called Amazon Kindle Publishing for Blogs, and you'll find it at kindlepublishing.amazon.com. And the first thing to do is to come up here and actually go and sign in to the account. Now, if you don't have an account with Kindle Publishing for Blogs, you will need to go ahead and create a new account. And the way to do that is simply come here and click on where it says create a new account, obviously, and you'll be taken through to this page. Now, it's worth noting that if you're an affiliate with Amazon, and if you happen to have an Amazon account just as a customer, then that login won't be the same login as it is for this. Often if you're a customer of Amazon, then when you sign up as an affiliate, you can use the same email and the same password. In this case, that's not true. So you have to go and actually sign up for an account. You can't just use your regular old Amazon account. So go ahead here, go in your name and password, just follow it through, and then they'll get you to set up some security questions as well. Obviously, having already published my blog on Amazon, I will go through and actually sign into my own account right now. But it's worth noting down here, actually, this is just something that I've noticed. This is a featured testimonial from a blog called The Clutter Diet, and this is by someone called Lori Marrero, and they've created this blog and then published it on Amazon. And it says here, I'm having my blog on the Kindle open many doors of opportunity for me when it became a surprise hit. I didn't want to run a lot of ads on my pages, brackets, that would be clutter, so this was a great way for me to monetize my blog and be on the leading edge of technology at the same time. Now that's a really cool thing to note, because if you're somebody who is struggling to monetize your blog at the moment, this might be a way in which for you to do it. And who knows, perhaps just like Laurie's, you might find that your blog is a surprise hit, again if you've put a good amount of effort into creating it. Anyway, let's go ahead and go and log in right here, and I'll see you on the other side in just a second. Now once you've signed up for your account and the account's been activated, you may need to, by the way, go over to your email once you've actually signed up just to confirm that email address. I can't remember if they do that with Amazon Kindle Publishing or not, as it's been a couple of weeks since I signed up for this. But right here you can see that I've just recently added my blog, and there you go, you can see it's just been added here. Blog title, Adventures in Internet Marketing, status is published. Obviously it's brand new as a subscription, so there's no trial and no total subscriptions, and then I can view it there on the Amazon page, which just for a second, if I open this up, you will see it looks something like this. This is what it looks like right here on actually the Amazon site. And again, this is available on all of the Amazon sites now around the world. So whether it be Amazon.com or .co.uk, you can download that. This blog you can download and subscribe to it thanks to the Amazon sites. So that's that. Now we can see right here, the easiest way to go and add your blog is to simply click on, yep, you guessed it, add blog right here. And when you click that in the top right hand corner, you'll see it will take you through to this page where you can specify all the things about your blog. Now what you'll need to know is your RSS or Atom feed address, and this is the feed for the information on your blog itself. So let me just go for a second, and I will go and actually go to my own site itself, just so I can show you where the feed is likely to be located on your own blog and your own site. So right here you can see this orange icon that comes up here, and this orange icon appears on most people's blogs in some way. Often it's down here at the very bottom, especially if you're using WordPress. You might find it's located down in the footer. In my case, it's up here where it says here subscribe via RSS feed. And just here as well, you can see this orange icon where it says RSS feed. Now, if you have a WordPress blog, then you'll generally find that it's the name of your blog, so in my case adventuresinininternetmarketing.net/feed, just FEED. Let's get rid of that for a second, FEED, so that's normally where it would be. And that's how you'll find it on WordPress. For other people and your sites, it may be slightly more complicated to find, but you can ask whoever it is who runs your web hosting. They will tell you where your feed is located and what the address is for your feed. Now, I know that my feed, like I say, is just adventuresinininternetmarketing.net/feed. Okay, so what I can do is go and add that into Amazon Kindle. Now right here, this is where you're going to put that feed information. Obviously I've added my own blog already, so I won't be doing it live right here, but that's where you put the Amazon feed address. Then you click on validate feed. Just to show you, what I'll do is I will go and get the feed address for my own site. So let's just do this quickly. Obviously I'm not going to add this, as I say, to Amazon because it's already there, but if I just go and type in adventuresinininternetmarketing.net/feed, just there, I click on validate feed, and you'll see right there it says feed validation successful. That's really what you're looking for. If you get anything else that says it's unsuccessful, then you won't be able to publish your blog to Amazon. You'll need to go back and talk to whoever it is who runs your site, whether it's you or somebody else. You'll need to go and find out what the RSS feed is for your particular site. Now down here you then put in your blog title, and the blog title needs to be your actual title of your blog. Don't try and put in just a keyword rich version of your blog title. You need to actually put the genuine title of your blog. You can put a tagline in as well, which I did for my own site. A blog description, all of the things here you see that are asterisk, those things need to be filled out. All the other stuff is optional. Then you can put in your blog screenshot and also your banner. Now it's worth noting over here that there are some guides in place for you. So where it says the screenshot displays on your blog's Amazon.com page, you can see that there's a guide to what you need to do for that, what size the image needs to be, that sort of thing, and that will be this area right here. So you can see this is the actual picture itself of the blog, and then you will also have a masthead, and then the masthead itself, again, you can click on View Guide, and it will open up this guide and show you what the masthead is. In this case, it needs to be an image that's no bigger than 430 by 50 pixels and should be in either GIF, JPEG, or PNG format. And again, the image size should be less than 1 megabyte. It explains here what the masthead actually is, and that will in this case be something that will appear on the Amazon Kindle itself at the top, so it will appear like a header on the actual Kindle device that you're viewing the blog on. Then you come down here and go to the website address. Please make sure you actually put this in. Okay, because if you don't put this in, then you will find that it's going to be something which will be to your detriment. Basically, it will cause you a problem if you don't put the URL of your blog's homepage in there. Even though it isn't one of the things that is demanded by this page, it's not something that's obligatory, it's still worth putting it in, because again, it just gives people another way in which to access your site and to go to that site if they want to see it on a PC, or if they want to look at it on a laptop of some kind, or on their Mac obviously, then they can go and put that in. The next thing to do, obviously, choose your language and your category, of which you can choose up to 3. Then you can go and put your search keywords in. Now this is important. Make sure you put the right search keywords in, because people looking for those particular keywords, if you're using this on a niche blog, then it's going to be something which they may well find, because obviously, think about it, you're actually optimizing a page on Amazon, and you can get Amazon to optimize that page for whatever keywords you like. So as a result, think about what it is that people will be searching for. If you need some help on keyword research, then there's a blog, blog post and also a video as well on my site which will help you out, which is called How to Do Keyword Research Properly, and it will show you how to go about finding the right keywords for your site and also for any blog posts that you write. So make sure right here that you put your main keywords in here, and that way you will find that the page itself will start to appear in the search engines. It's also worth, once you actually publish the blog to Kindle, to actually backlink this page itself and actually create some links back. Now I'm not going to deal with that in this video, but what I mean by that is simply link to it on Twitter, link to it on Facebook, and also do some social bookmarking as well, using any of the social bookmarking tools that are out there, or you can just go and manually do it yourself. Go to each of the accounts that you might have and manually bookmark it. Once you've done that, come down here and this button will be activated once you fill in all the areas that you have to fill in, and click on Publish Blog to Kindle. Now, what it's worth doing as well before you do that is come down here and click on Generate Blog Preview. When you do that, it will show you what the blog will look like when it's viewed on a Kindle, which again is really useful because you can see if the feed is working properly, if all the information is coming through okay, and if the formatting is looking alright as well. Generally speaking, it will be, because Amazon has done this a lot, obviously. So then you come down here, click on Publish Blog to Kindle, and that will be that. Your blog will be live on Kindle. I think it's within a relatively short space of time, like it's less than a week that they actually take to look at your site, because obviously they have to check that your site, doesn't go against any terms and conditions, all that sort of thing. So as a result, they'll go and check the blog. And you may find that it's up as quickly as sort of 48 hours. And then obviously you can return to the dashboard itself and you'll be able to see that your blog will be there. You can also add as many blogs as you like to this, which is awesome, because it means that any blogs that you might have, this is another way in which you can monetize them. And it's worth noting that each of the blogs, you can't set the price, by the way. I should have said that. With all the blogs that you put on here, the price is set at 99 cents, or in my case, 99 pence. So either way, you will find that it's 99 of whatever your local currency is. I imagine if you're in the Eurozone, for example, then it will be 99 euro cents as opposed to 99 dollar cents, if you like. So that's that. I'll just show you this quickly. Actually, if I go over to the UK version of this page, you'll see that when it loads up, you'll see right here, there you go, it says monthly price 99 pence, which is I say the local currency right here, and you can literally come over here and subscribe now with one click. So basically what that means is every month, when people download that particular thing from Amazon, when they download the latest thing from Amazon, they will pay 99 cents or 99 pence, depending on where you are in the world, and that means that goes to you. Now, not all of the 99 cents or 99 pence goes to you, but the majority, as far as I can work out, does. And as a result, it's a way in which you can monetize your page, and a way you can monetize the entire blog itself, particularly if you're not a fan of using any kind of advertising, like we saw earlier on with that case study at the beginning with that testimonial from the clutter diet. So I hope all that makes sense to you. It's literally that simple. Just go ahead to Kindle Publishing for Blogs, which you'll find at kindlepublishing.amazon.com, and literally, as I say, go ahead, sign up for an account, which is free to do, and you can then go and add your blog by clicking on that green cross just there, and go ahead and fill out the details like I've shown you. I look forward to speaking to you in another video. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel on YouTube by going to the button up there in the top left-hand corner above the video itself, and if you're watching this on my blog, then make sure that you fill out your email address up there in the top right hand corner, which that will obviously show you where you can go to get more updates like these, and anytime I publish any new content, you will be updated via email immediately. We don't use your email for anything other than that, so go ahead and subscribe right there, and I look forward to sharing more stuff with you very, very soon.